Hey guys, let's talk a little bit about something that I just came up with, and that is the nice universal removable dangler. I had a guy, one of my friends and subscribers, he actually came up with this idea, a little bit different, so thought it over, came up with this, and I think it's a really good and cool option. And it's just a universal, like I said, quick removable dangler. Now, I say universal and quick removing because this thing can be put on any knife that has roughly a 1-inch strap. And that is simply because this is just a round carabiner. It is not aluminum, it is metal. I do not know what the weight ratio is on this thing. I wouldn't go mountain climbing with it or anything like that, but in a pinch it could be used pretty cool. I mean, not only can you put this on knives, but you can take it off and now you can use it for multiple options. Multi-purpose option, guys. Now, here is a one of the original BK2 sheaths. A little bit of adjustment. You now can sit it lower on your thigh. If you like the original Mora companion sheath, there you go. Simply put it on. Easy as that. And if you've got older knives, such as this Puma, again, put it on. Now you have a low carry option. Simply pull the clip down, pull it off, you're ready to go. So, if you guys like these, look me up. My Facebook group is called Wolf's Custom Sheaths. I'll put a link up at the end of this video. So, have a good day, guys. Hope you enjoyed it.